Do you often find yourself having the same conversations and sending the same emails on a daily basis?
Regardless of your methods, there has to be a more efficient way to distribute this information and save you time and energy. Hi, I'm Brandon.
And I'm Shayna, and we co-own Pixel Lab Studios. And today we're going to discuss leveraging video across your entire company.
With today's fast-paced lifestyle and ever-shortening attention spans, it's critical that companies leverage multiple communication techniques to support and grow their business.
And the great news is, corporate videos can be used across your entire company to drive business value, increase efficiency, and effectively distribute your messaging.
Now, there are several types of corporate videos that can be used across your company to reach your goals. Many companies initially turn to marketing and advertising videos, which are great tools to increase revenue and brand awareness. However, video is a great asset across all of your departments.
For example, your HR department can utilize recruitment videos to entice fresh new talent, orientation videos to onboard that new talent, and training videos to simplify team trainings.
Your finance department can create videos showing your company's latest financial reports and quickly distribute that information to your board members and investors.
Finally, operations departments can create training and safety videos for their employees in order to streamline efficiency in the workplace.
Now, before you get started, you want to consider what you want to achieve with video. Are you looking to increase revenue, improve operational efficiency, or secure funding? Several factors will determine which video is best for you, but most important is your overall goal and message.
Whether you're updating your sales team on the newest incentives, continuing education with employee training, or reporting on your company's latest financials, video can save you time and effort while ultimately helping to grow your business.
There are many ways to incorporate video across your company to drive growth and efficiency. If you want to learn more about the types of videos your business should be using, download our Quick Start Guide to Video Marketing today at pixellabstudios.com/video marketing guide.